Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 2. How are you all doing? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your social studies class. In today's class, we will be continuing the topic that we started in yesterday's class, and the topic was our calendar, right? We discussed about what is a calendar, what does it shows us, what is the purpose of it, and etc, right? Okay, so I gave you a home assignment as well. In yesterday's class we practiced that how we practice making a one of the page of a calendar which depicts the details of a month, right? So what are the things, can you revise with me, what were the things a calendar basically shows us? It tells us about the year, what year it is, then it tells us about which month it is. What else? It also tells us about the date, and beside that, which day it is on that date. So these are the four things that we get from a calendar, right? And then we practice making a page of it as well. On the well, every calendar has a different design. Maybe some of them write the year over here on the corner, then over here the month will be written, then over here the columns will be made which shows us the different dates and days of it, right? Over here the days will be written like, okay, it starts from Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, right? Like this, right? So it looks like that. Now how many of you have made the second page at your home? Got it? Okay. And I also ask you that whenever you get up every day, make a habit of looking at the calendar and note down the point. Something, let's say, when you look at the calendar, this is the week. And in this week, what are the important days that calendar shows you? Or is there something special which belongs to you on that particular day? Let's say in this week or in the coming week, my friend has a birthday. So I'll be marking it with a different color over the calendar, right? So I ask you to make this habit that start looking at the calendar for all of these special days which related to your country, like all of the national days, all of your friends birthdays, your siblings birthdays, your parents anniversary, etc, right? Okay, now before moving forward, tell me that how many days are there in a week? How many days are there? 7, right? Can you tell their names? Okay, now I want all of you to look at this carefully. Today we will be practicing writing the names of the days and month as well, okay? So we have also practiced writing the name of the days in our last class as well, but today we will practice it on the notebooks. So I want all of you to prepare your notebooks as well, prepare the pages for the class work. Okay, yes, how many days are there? 7. What are their names? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. These are the 7 days. How many months are there in a year? 12. Excellent. What are their names? January, February, March. Good. April, May. Okay, then June, then July. What next? August, September, October, November, and December. So I'm going to share the screen with you. I'll show you a video about the days of the week, and we will also look about the video related to calendar. So show me a thumbs up if the screen is visible to you. Is it visible? Okay, good.
There are 7 days in a week. Let's count them and just see. 1, 2, 3. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 4, 5, and 6. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Woohoo! And there are 7 days in a week. Let's count them and just see. 1, 2, 3. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 4, 5, and 6. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. are 7 days in a week. Oopsie! We forgot the best one, which is the seventh day of the week. It's Sunday and it's a treat. Yeah, we all love Sundays. There are 7 days in a week. 7 days in a week. 7 days in a week.
Okay, so it was an interesting video, right? So, and this song was related to the days, how many days are there in a week, and we have learned about it. Now, before moving forward, before moving toward the months, let's practice writing the days of the week. So we will be starting with Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. So the first one is Monday, and the spellings of Monday are Monday. Day. Okay, what was the interesting thing about the video? Yes, that first you think that they are forgetting the 7 day, right? But they didn't. Okay, the second is Tuesday, and here are the spellings of Tuesday. What comes next? The next is Wednesday, and the spellings of Wednesday. Remember in yesterday's class I told you that if the name of something is bigger, you can break down it into different parts so that you can easily memorize the spelling of it. Let's say Wednesday. The next is Thursday. 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 Then we have Friday. Friday. Right? We have broken this into two parts. Then we have Saturday. Again, two parts, right? And at last we have Sunday, which is also a fun day. Got it? Okay, so all of you are done. Similarly, Monday, Tuesday. See, some of them are broken into two parts and the other are in three. This is how we can easily memorize the spelling of a bigger term. Got it? Okay. Let's move forward and look at the name of the months as well. I'm going to share the screen again. Let's watch this video together as well.
A calendar. It looks something like this. You must have seen it in your house. It also looks something like this, like a planner with days on it. That's a calendar. What does a calendar have? Calendar shows a year, months, days of the week, and days in number of days. That's actually a calendar.
Okay, interesting. So they have tell us again that what are the things that the calendar shows that we have already discussed. Now let's move toward the name of the months. So the very first name is January, a very, very cool and a very lovely month, right? Okay. Then we have February. Okay, let's first write the names of the months, then we will do an activity, okay? Then we have March. March is again a very lovely month. You don't feel cold, you don't feel hot. So it's a very lovely weather, right? Then we have April. Then we have May. Then we have what comes next? June, July. Then we have August. Then we have September. Then we have October, November, and And finally, we have December, right? So this is 7th, 8th, 9th, 10, 11, and 12. 12 months in a year. Now, what is the activity? Whichever, in whatever the month you have your birthday, you are supposed to make some kind of decoration with that. Let's see, I have my birthday in February, so I'll be making a cake over here. Okay, it don't looks like a cake, but just these are the candles that I'll blow on the birthday. Okay, does it looks like a cake? No, but it's okay. We will consider it as a cake. Okay, okay. Then Pakistan have its birthday in August, so I'll be making a flag over here. Okay. Then when you are writing this, let's say if you have some small sticky stickers of different things, what you can do, you can put a sticker of cake on your birthday month, you can put a small flag on August, you can put a small picture of Qaid Azam on December. Similarly, related to something, okay, there are some special days which we celebrate, right? Let's say 23rd March is being celebrated, you can put something related to that on March. You can put something related to Labor's Day on May. You can put something related to Qaid Azam on December. Similarly, Pakistan on August, right? So just write the names on your notebooks, and this is your home assignment, that you are supposed to make some small stickers for all of the important national days, or and which month do they belongs to, right? So you will be putting some small stickers on that. Got it? Okay. Now, another thing which we discussed in yesterday's class, I told you that make a habit of using the calendar. Like I told you that I have this habit. I marked all the important days on a calendar related to, like, if my friends have birthdays, siblings, whoever have. So I marked all of them on a calendar so that I don't forget it. And whenever I'm crossing from there, I just have a look at that. Oh, okay, 3 days are left, and I'm supposed to wish somebody, right? So this reminds me for that. Make this habit, adopt it, and try using calendar, because when you have such things, you see, we should not be reliable more on the devices like mobile phones and reminders and all that. No, rely on such things as well. Why? Because they gives you the knowledge. See, now if somebody of you would be using calendar, you might have this idea that this part shows us about the year, this tells us about the month, this tells us about the days, this tells us about the day. So you must have this idea. Got it? So hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.